Hello everyone, this is Joy, and this is the joy of my life that keeps me busy all the time while staying at home during the time of pandemic. My Singer sewing machine model Touch-tronic 2001 memory machine. According to the Singer website, this machine was introduced by Singer Company in 1978 as the world's first computer-controlled machine. Could you imagine the age of this machine? But it still looks new and working fine. I got this sewing machine from Facebook Marketplace 2 years ago. It has a solid wood table, very heavy, with compartment at the bottom on both sides where I could store all my sewing stuff. It also comes with a chair, but this chair I already reupholstered and repainted with the Singer accessories. This machine also has a built-in decorative stitches where you could use if you want to be more creative in whatever sewing projects you're gonna have. But my problem is how to use this machine. I check online whether there are some tutorials regarding this sewing machine model, but I couldn't find any. I checked the website of Singer Company, downloaded the manual, printed and filed on this folder. It has a total of 110 pages. A lot of steps could be learned on this manual. At the end, there are some troubleshooting that could help in the process. I already made face masks on this machine. At this time of pandemic, the prices of face masks on the market also skyrocketed because of the public demand. So if you have a sewing machine in the house, it's better to make your own face mask. I also made a lot of bed sheets on this machine. After sewing all those bed sheets, I encountered problems on the machine. I follow all the troubleshooting here on this manual, but still I couldn't fix the machine. I made an inquiries to the sewing machine repairs and I couldn't believe when they told me about the prices. I could buy the new machine with those prices that they told me. Since I couldn't find any information about these sewing machine models online, I came up with an idea that whatever I learned on this manual, I gonna share it online. Also, I gonna share with you how did I fix this sewing machine without paying the repair guy. I only use my screwdriver, my resourcefulness, and my courage to open the machine. So for those who have a sewing machine model like mine, stay tuned soon. I'm gonna share it with you. We're gonna learn it together. So for now, thank you for watching and till next time. Bye.